I'll take y'all on a little ride along. It's been a minute. Do a little ride along. What y'all got going on? Well, it got cold. It's officially wintertime. Fall time gone. It's winter. 40 degrees, 30 degrees. It's winter. Just getting a little cold. Not really cold. I was just stuffy. Just not getting over that. Stuffy about a few days. Then I'm drinking my hot tea. Drinking that tea. Shout out to my lady. You know what I'm saying? Making a hot tea for your boy. Appreciate you. Yeah, man. Try to make it do what it do. You know we're gonna do what we gotta do. Finding me a game, you already know. Out here getting this side chicken. This side cheddar. Ain't even rush hour no more. It's a little bit of traffic. Let's see y'all. Flip this camera around. Nation's capital, Washington D.C. DMV area. We in D.C. though. Just left Reagan Airport. You gotta take your way over here. They ain't gonna let you in. You gotta take it. She's gonna let me in. But yeah, y'all. Ain't doing nothing, like I said. Getting this side chicken. Got some things in the works though. My man's literally just text me. One of the homies just text me. Something I got brewing. Little idea I had. It's time. So you got ideas in your head, write it down, pray about it, and then you execute. So I went ahead and executed. And it's looking pretty good. You send me a few pictures. So y'all be seeing that real soon too. Just keep it locked. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate your support. We're on the way to 1,000 subscribers. I think I'm making 980 or 985, something like that right now. But I appreciate those who watch and support the kid. We're gonna try to do something with 1,000 subscribers. I don't know what. Something to, you know what I'm saying, like I said, appreciation or something. I gotta figure something out. But I do appreciate the support. Starting this, I just did it. I started during COVID. Quick story time. I started during COVID. And just was doing it. You know, I was still working. I had the little essential card and stuff. I was still working, but I was working on my cars, and I said, let me just start documenting some of this stuff. And I was doing it just to do it as like a hobby. But then it kind of grew, so just stuck with it. Anything I do, most time, I just stick with it. You know, I'm very consistent. That's one of my best traits, I say. I'm not into a whole lot. What I am into, I'm very consistent. So I just stuck with it. So here we are. You know what I'm saying? Almost 500,000 views. Like I said, on the way to 1,000 subscribers. So I appreciate that. I really do. Yeah. I don't know if I ever told y'all that. As a matter of fact, I'm glad I said that. I'm glad I spoke on that. Turn y'all back around, see this view. It's a nice view. The big pencil. We was little, they called it the pencil. But yeah. The just tapping in with y'all, seeing what's happening, what y'all got going on. Like I said, it's been a minute since I did a little ride along, so y'all riding along. We in Tesla today. Make a few moves. Yeah, these folks selfish around here. I live in a selfish area. You gotta take your way, like I said. These folks ain't gonna let you. You gotta take it. You have your signal on or not. This is how it be. That's the mentality. Yes, sir. But yeah, y'all, like I said, we got some things on the way. I still got some more ideas and whatnot, especially with this truck. So there's some things pending, I'd say. So I'm just trying to see what direction I want to go. That's actually good. I got a couple different options, so it's just really locking in on which direction I really want to go. Due to some things pending, like I said. But yeah, just wanted to check in with y'all. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Hit that like button. Go ahead and start hitting that like button for me. We need to get them likes up. Subscribe to the channel. These folks tripping. Yeah, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button. So I appreciate that support. The ones that been sticking with me, you know what I'm saying, watching these videos. Checking your boy out. But yeah, I'm gonna get off this line, you know what I'm saying? About to go downtown. They got them speed cameras stuff through here. So shoot. I'll catch you on the next one. Alright? Body Means Game, we gone. Stay positive, stay prayed up. Keep grinding. Body means weight. Let's go.